Here is Maths Master. For the GCSE and the WAS students, you should be able to work around this. But if you can't, you've got no problem because we've got you. So good. Let's quickly walk around this together. We're told to find the value of x if the root of 2 upon x plus root 2 is equal to 1 upon x negative root 2. So this algebraic equation, though with sort. Yes. So what we're going to do, two things are possibly done. We can multiply through by the least common multiple of the denominators so that we can have an equation without a fraction. Or we just simply do what we commonly call a cross multiplication. So x plus root 2 multiplies 1, then root 2 multiply x minus root 2. So let's quickly get to it. To get to this, we have root 2. Open a bracket is multiplying x, take away root 2, right? Good. So that can be equated to we have 1, open a bracket, x plus root 2. So open up the bracket, expand, collect like terms, simplify, and that settles it. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. So root 2 times x, that'll be x root 2. Then root 2 times negative root 2. Don't forget, root 2 times root 2 will give us root 4. And root 4 is 2. What does that imply? It implies that for every number that is having a root of any number times the root of that same number will give you that same number. What am I saying? I'm saying root 2 times root 2 will give us 2 eventually, by the time we simplify it. So note it, root 2 times root 2 is 2. So because this one is having negative, that will be negative 2. And that equal to 1 times x, 1 times root 2, that is plus root 2. So what do we do next? I think it's time to collect like terms. So this will move this way, in this direction. Let's bring our x to the left hand side. Let this x move over here. And let 2 move over here. Do you see that? So let's keep going. Now will become x root 2. By the time this x to become negative root 2 here, and so negative x now become what? That is equal to root 2. 2 comes to become positive. I think at the left hand side, x is common, so we can factor out x. So we have x, open a bracket of root 2, negative 1. If you expand that, you have what you have at the top. And that becomes what? Root 2 plus 2. We can factorize this. So in doing this, when you have a question like this, you are looking for x, don't forget. So we can get rid of root 2 minus 1 by dividing both sides by that. So dividing both sides by root 2, take away 1. Root 2, take away 1. What do we have? This. To cancel out this, right? And this, in the right hand side, you can't leave our answer. We can't say x is equal to this. The denominator is irrational, so we have to rationalize. In rationalizing, you have root 2 plus 1 upon the same thing. It's just a manipulation because if you divide through the same thing, that will give you 1. So we've not changed anything. We're just trying to make sure we get a better simplification. So root 2 times root 2. So from here I can say x is equal to root 2 times root 2. Don't forget that is 2. Root 2 times 1 That's root 2. Then come to 2. 2 times root 2. I have 2 root 2. 2 times 1. That's 2. All divided by, this will multiply itself as well. Root 2 times root 2. That is also 2. Root 2 times 1. That's root 2. Then my negative 1 times root 2. That's negative root 2. Negative 1 times 1. That's negative 1. So what do we have now? Collect items. So we have 2 plus 2 here, we have 4. And we have root 2 plus 2 root 2. We have a root 2. This one means 1 root 2. A root 2 plus 2 of that same root 2. How many of root 2 do we have? We are going to be having 3. So that will be plus 3 root 2. All divided by these two guys. This is plus root 2, negative root 2. They are gone. Both of them added together is giving you 0. So 2 take away 1, that will give us 1. So our answer is equal to what? Our answer is, the numerator divided by 1 is still the numerator. So our answer is 4 plus 3 root 2. That's our final answer. And what option is that? It's 3 root 2 plus 4. 3 root 2 plus 4. This is the answer. Thank you for staying with me. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Share with all the students you have. Thank you. See you some other time.